Hello, great minds. Welcome to the channel. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to every one of us watching this video. All right, guys. So we want to learn how to solve this viral mathematical puzzle on the screen. And just so that you know, most of these puzzles can come in as job interview question. So maybe you're preparing for any job interview. You want to understand how to go about this kind of puzzle. And of course, I'm going to walk you through the whole process one step at a time. But then if you already know the answer to this question, just kindly put your answer on the comment section, tell us the procedures, and that will be appreciated. So with that being said, let us go right into this question one step at a time. All right, now this puzzle is asking us to find the height of the table. And on this table, I can see two different animals. I can see the cat and I can also see the bed. And again, the height of the table itself. So I would like to just quickly do something very basic. I would like to say, let the height of the bed be B, let the height of the cat be C, and let the height of the table be T. So this is going to be B, that's the height of the bed. And here is going to be C, that's the height of the cat. And we're going to figure out the height of the table. Now, we don't really know what the height of the table is here, so we can just do another analysis in the other side. Now, let me take it down from the height of the cat down to the foot of the table. And if I decide to cut out this part, you can see that this part here is simply the height of the cat. And from this position to this point is simply the height of the table, which is T. Right? That is exactly what we want because we want to find the height of the table. Now, just so that you understand these things clearly, you can see that this height here or this length here is the same thing as this length from this point down to this point. They are all the same thing, right? So what is this length here? This length here is simply C plus T, and that is going to be equal to this length also here. This length is simply 180 plus B, which is the height of the bed, 180 plus B. I hope you get it. The length here is from the height of the cat down to the bottom of the table is C plus T. That is very clear. And this one here, you can see that from this height of the cat down to the height of the bed is 180. And of course, the remaining height of the bed is B. So that is 180 plus B. Perfect. So I'd like to take the variable to the other side. So I'll subtract B from both sides in the equation. And that will be C plus T minus B. And that is equal to 180. Of course, B minus B is 0. So let's call this child equation 1. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing in the other side of the table and just get another equation, and then we solve and find the value, the height of the table. So like you can see here, from the height of the bed down to the height of the down to the top of the cat is 120, and the remaining height to the feet of the table is C. That's going to be like 120 plus C. And of course, if we decide to extend this stuff down to this side, you can see that this here is the height of the bed, which is B, and the remaining is the height of the table, which is T. That is going to be equal to B plus T. Perfect. I like to put it this way. I like to say B plus T equal to 120 plus C. Then I'll take the variable to the left-hand side. You know how it's been. Subtract C from both sides. That will be B plus T minus C equal to 120. Another equation, call it equation 2. Now we're going to solve these two equations and then we can find the height of the table. Just straightforward. I like to use the black marker ink right here. So I have now C plus T minus B equal to 180. And the other equation is B plus T minus C equal to 120. Looking at these two equations, something will definitely cancel out. Some variables are going to cancel out from here. And let us observe the variables that will cancel. I can see in the first equation, we have positive C, and the second equation, we have negative C. That means if we add up these two equations together, this C and this negative C will definitely cancel out. Does it make sense? And this is minus B right here in the first equation, and this is plus B. So minus B plus B is going to cancel out. We have 0. And what is remaining is the table, the height of the table, which is T plus T. And that will give us how many? 2T. And of course, 180 plus 120 will give us 300. Perfect. Now, for us to get the height of the table, we just simply divide everybody by 2. We divide both sides by 2. And these two cancel out. So we have that the height of the table will be 150 centimeters. So that is the height of the table. So if you go to 150 centimeter, let me know in the comment section. And that will be very awesome. That will be very nice. So guys, We've come to the end of this video. If you find value from this, let me know in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to share to other learners. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye-bye.